Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. It is a chilly morning here in Florida. My daughter she's in the chorus in her school choir. She's in choir in school, so she went to perform at Disney with her class, and she's gonna be meeting Neil Patrick Harris. I was like, jelly a little bit. I like him. He's funny. But anyway, I'm gonna take my other two to IHOP right now, and then we're gonna go to the mall and buy the rest of my Christmas gift. I tried that yesterday, but it didn't work out as I planned, so I'm gonna try to complete it today. And then we also have some stuff to do at home. My daughter here needs to be done, but she have a cold, so I don't know how I'm gonna work that out, because I don't want to wash her hair because the cold will just get worse. So I don't know. I'm probably just gonna spray water them, detangle and braid them in, so she could do a braid out for picture day on Tuesday. So heading to IHOP, then the mall, come back. I have to stop at Aldi's. I want to cook some food today. I probably will go to Rose because I'm planning on baking cake this year. And my daughter requested some fruit cake, so I don't know. I probably won't bake until next Saturday anyway, so it's fine. So I'll be able to get those stuff. And if the baby gets a little cranky today, then I won't have to worry about that so much. The most important thing right now is to get the rest of the Christmas gifts and the rest of the stuff for the pictures. I want to get the baby a necklace with his initial on it, because all of us have one except for my older son, but he probably gonna wear his tags, and they're silver, so all of us have a chain with our initials, so that's probably what we're gonna wear. And I want to get one for the baby. So yeah guys, when we get back home, we're gonna be doing this, making these sledge for my daughter classmates. She want to give each of her classmate a little present, so I decided it was affordable. It was more affordable to I bought some candy canes. I'll show you guys when I get home. Candy canes, some Santa Claus shaped candy. I'll show you guys when I get home. Better seeing than talking about it. Better showing than talking about it. And then we're gonna make that, and as I say, but before I keep rambling for the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna leave you guys here, and I will catch up with you guys that later. Breakfast was awful. It was awful. Those tres leche pancakes, I went to New York earlier this year, and my friend had me order them, try them, and when I tell you, in New York, I went to IHOP like 3 times in that week because the freaking pancakes were so good. But down here, they're horrible. They're dry, they're small. That's the other thing. In New York, the plate was completely full with the pancake. It was 2 pancakes, it was enough sauce, but here it's like, but the potatoes was good. The potatoes and onion was good, but the pancake was just make you don't want to even go back. But that's good, because coming after Christmas on the 26th, it's time to get down with the get down and knock this weight off the body. You know what I'm saying, guys? Alright guys, we are almost back home, but I'm just gonna give the car a little wash. It is a mess. Mostly what I bought, as I said, was Christmas gifts. Of course, I can't give you guys, I could give you guys a grocery haul. I bought a little bit of groceries. I bought a little bit of groceries. I'll probably show you guys that when I get home, and also show you guys the supply that we bought to make the gifts for my daughter classmates, and then that will be it. I may cook some food later. I may cook maybe. That's a big maybe because I'm lazy. I don't want to cook these days. When I start cooking, I cook, but then when I don't feel like cooking, man. But if baby boy give me the chance, I probably will prepare something. But yeah, guys, we're about to go to this car wash, so enjoy the ride. That's going on here. First, I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I bought yesterday, right? For the thing that we're gonna buy for the make for my daughter classmates, I got these treat bags. So far away. I got these treat bags from the $1.25 store. And I got, it's 20 in a pack for $1.25, and I bought 2 packs. There's only, I think, there may be 20 people in her class. With her is 21, and I don't know why I bought 2 packs. I also got these mini Rice Krispie treat from Aldi's. I got the candy cane from Aldi's as well. They were $1.29. I got 6 packs. No, I got 5 packs. I think 4 will be enough for what we want, and I just bought an extra pack for us, I guess. And these are the little Santa. It's a Kris Kringles, and when we put it together, I'll show you guys what we came up with. There's 3 in a pack, and I think it was like $1.29 for a pack or something like that. And I bought 2, 4, 6, 7 packs. Also, I bought these box juice. So this is gonna go in the little package as well. Yesterday at Walmart, I also got this build your own chocolate cookie house. I bought this one because we normally do the gingerbread house, but we never really eat it. But I feel like I love me some chocolate. It's chocolate cookies. I feel like I will eat this. So this is why I got this one. There was a chocolate, a Christmas village. That's the one that I really want. I don't know why I chose this one. I think I grabbed this one by accident, but it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and do this one. All right. And then for today, these are all that I got. My daughter having like a Christmas party or something, and this is what I decided. I'm supposed to get some Little Debbie's Christmas cakes, but I didn't find them, and I'm supposed to get this. So I got this already, and it was buy one get one free. So I got both for $1.99. I got 2 boxes of oat milk. Normally this is $5.69, but it was 2 for $10 today. So I got those. I got some bananas. I got some watermelon. a red bell pepper, 2 tomatoes. I just didn't feel like stopping at Aldi, so I grabbed those from Publix. I got some baby foods. Normally I would make the baby food, but I feel like these are so convenient. It's green wise. They're supposed to be organic. So I just got them, but you know they have preservatives, so I was trying to avoid that, but hey, you know how it is. I got me a coffee creamer. This is like my favorite coffee creamer now. It's Silk Almond Creamer, and it's the sweet and creamy one. I tried the caramel in this, did not like it at all. I got some orange juice. I got a pound of shrimp, but I normally let them divide it into half. I got some country crock plant butter. I saw this recipe on TikTok that I want to try with some salmon. It's like sweet and sour, but one of the ingredients I didn't get. I don't know if I need it or I could just use some soy sauce. I need some fish sauce. So I may run back out and think if the baby falls asleep, but for right now. And also I got a vegan cheddar cheese. And that's about it, guys, that I got today. And the rest of the stuff is pretty much gifts. And as I said, I will make a video of just that. Right now I am going to pack these away. If the baby relaxes, I will try to do my daughter here. I would record that, but I really don't have space. Right now it's saying I have 20 minutes left. I don't know what I'm supposed to do because I keep deleting stuff and they keep being full. So at this point, I don't know what I'm going to do. What else? I may cook some food later, and I think I had, and we're gonna make these stuff today as well. I will show you guys the ending result of what we made. I'll show you guys how I make it. I found it on Pinterest, and I'm gonna just, you know, throw them together and see how they come out. So guys, I'll catch up with you guys later. Yeah, later. Hey guys, so we are back and we're about to start making these gifts. So as I said earlier, I have juice, I have a Rice Krispie 3. I didn't expect these to be so small. This is not the size I wanted the regular size, but when I got home I noticed that's what it was. I got a Santa, if you guys can see that, and then the we got candy canes. I'm actually gonna open one to keep baby boy quiet. He probably not gonna like it. You know how they don't like stuff that burns. Here, Papa. Alright guys, let's get into it. And also I got these bags. Which one of the bags do you want to use?
The snow one, please.
The snow one? Okay. Alright guys. So the glue gun is plugged in and warming up. Can you bring us scissors, please? So for this project, we're going to need 2 candy canes, 1 drink, put that over there, 1 of this, a Santa Claus. Was that it? Hey, it's something. So I got, as I said, I got this from off Pinterest, right? So actually I'm gonna put this on first. First we're gonna stick this here. Alright guys, so we came up with something. We're putting, my daughter came up with an idea to tape it. So we put a little bit of glue underneath and then we're tape it on there to make sure it sticks because it was falling off. So this is, we're gonna do this first part first, and then we're gonna do it step by step. You know what I'm saying? But this is the first one that we make. You know, the first one is always the trial, so we're gonna it's gonna be mine. Yeah. It can't be mine because I don't drink these juice. Alright guys, I'll get back with you guys when we get to the next step. So the first step is just taping Santa to the bottom of the juice to stand up. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. This is not what I expected, but it's what we got. So this is what we're gonna wait. Okay? Santa, candy cane and juice and a Rice Krispie. Sugar rush. But that's it guys. So we're gonna finish this and then we'll show you guys the finished result. We have 20 here. We're gonna finish these and we still have to do like 2 more, but I am out of Santa's. So I will hi guys. So guys, these are the finished product. And we did 20 of them. But we still gotta I have to go buy some more. Just have them lined up. Right now we're gonna look for something to put them in. This is the finished product, guys. This project was so tedious, so annoying, everything. I will not do again. 0 out of 10 recommend to do.
In my opinion, I think it's a 7 out of 10 recommend to do.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, bye.